Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be taking you guys with me along my whole day and what it's like as an online student. Just a quick update. I've been gone for a little bit. Just been like kind of really busy with work, and then I got sick for like, I swear, like almost like a week and a half. So that kind of like prevented me from making any like new videos because I looked terrible, one, and two, I sounded terrible as well. So now I'm feeling much better. Again, I was a little busy this week. I had a few interviews, so I was doing that, prepping for that, work, school, but now we're back. So if you guys are new here, then I'm currently enrolled in WGU. I'm doing my MBA with them completely online, and it definitely has been a journey. I'm in my third term with them so far, so I've been in the program for about a year now. Initially, I thought I was going to complete this program within a year and quickly realized that that's not going to be possible for me, and not a bad thing. I'm not upset about it. I figured that, one, I am working full-time, so it is going to be a little bit harder for me to kind of, you know, set aside time to really be able to do my schoolwork. So that's going to make me take a little bit longer. And then also the second thing was, don't know why I was like rushing, because the quicker I finish, the quicker I'm going to have to pay back my student loans. So I'm just like, yeah, let me just take my time. I had a plan to be able to have it in order to advance myself in my career, my current job. But as time has gone on, it's not like as important for the advancement purposes. So it's good for me to have it, but I'm not gonna rush it. So I have 3 classes that I'm taking right now. I'm doing financial management, I'm doing marketing, and I'm doing ethical leadership. These classes, I believe I have 1 assessment, like test. I have 1 like paper that I have to do, and then my ethical leadership class, I have like 3 tasks to complete. I haven't like looked into it yet, but that could either be like papers, projects, PowerPoints, different things like that. So I have to like look and see. But right now I'm working on my financial management class, and I'm working on my marketing class. So I'm definitely kind of like playing a little bit of catch up. Today I'm focusing on marketing, so I want to finish my whole chapter 3 today. So we're gonna see if we're gonna be able to do that.
So guys, it's currently already 3:47. I've already been studying for a little over an hour now, and technically I won't even call it studying. I'll call it, you know, going through the material, because that's, you know, actually what I'm doing. So I've been doing that for already an hour and a half. When I said my day, I meant like the later part of my day, because half of the day is kind of already gone. I did wake up a little late today. I woke up at like 10 a.m. Then made some breakfast, had like some eggs, some sausages, some pancakes, and kind of like relaxed for a little bit. I was watching The Legend of Korra. If you know, you know. And then I was like, okay, time to get into the studying a little bit. At that point, it was already like 2 something. And yeah, so now we're here, and I'm gonna start studying again. I'm one of those people who likes to work in their bed. That's just me. Like, even when I work from home, I like to work in my bed. I like to be comfortable while I do anything. So yeah, that's where we are right now. I'm gonna continue going through my marketing course, chapter 3.
Stop that. I'm recording. Why are you just standing there being crazy? All right, y'all. So I'm basically about done with it. I have to do like 2 more chapters, and then I'll be done with chapter 2. And right now I'm gonna go head down to the gym. I'm gonna try to like run a mile, because I haven't ran a mile in like probably like 3 months since the new year started. So I'm gonna try to do that, do a little bit of work now. Gonna come back up, gonna make some dinner, and then I'm gonna try to finish out my chapter 2 for the day so I can be done with that. All right, y'all, we just got back from the gym. Quick little 30-minute workout. I did my mile, I did some core, I did like 50 sit-ups, 2 1-minute planks. So now we're back, and I'm gonna cook some dinner for me and my boyfriend. If you hear him in the background, that's because he's on the game. But yeah, I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna show you guys what I made.
I'm actually making the chicken shawarma thighs from Trader Joe's. I'm making them in my air fryer because I want to like have time to still do some homework. They smell really good though, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on to like how they are and stuff like that. I'll let you guys know. But I'm about to try to finish up this last chapter, chapter 2, just so I can then eat and enjoy the rest of my night. So let's get into that. All right, y'all, finished chapter 2. Took me, rough estimate, probably about like 3 hours to get through the whole chapter with all the breaks and everything like that. So now I'm about to eat dinner, about to watch a little BMF, and I'm about to end my night. So I'm gonna show you guys the food in a second once I'm all done with it. And yeah.
Black Mafia family.
Right.